If your OneDrive is full, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix full storage in OneDrive fast, safely, and without getting lost in settings. We'll check what's using your space, delete unnecessary files, empty the recycle bin, clean up Outlook storage, and if needed, move files off OneDrive and keep them on your PC instead. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you want to check how much storage is actually being used. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Storage dashboard. Sign in with the Microsoft account connected to your OneDrive. Once you're in, take a look at your storage usage so you can see whether the problem is coming from OneDrive files, Outlook Mail, or both. This is important because Microsoft storage is shared across services, so a full inbox can also affect your available OneDrive space. Now let's free up some room inside OneDrive itself. Open OneDrive Web and go to My Files. Here, look for files and folders that you no longer need. Large videos, zip files, old backups, and outdated photos are usually the biggest space hogs. If you see anything unnecessary, delete it. Be careful and only remove files you don't need anymore. The goal is to clean up the cloud without deleting anything important. After deleting files, don't forget this next step, because a lot of people skip it. Click on Recycle Bin in the left sidebar. Files you delete are often still taking up space until the recycle bin is emptied. Once you're there, click Empty Recycle Bin. This permanently removes those deleted items from OneDrive storage and helps recover a surprising amount of space. If OneDrive is still full, the next place to check is Outlook. Microsoft storage is shared with Outlook attachments and emails, so a cluttered mailbox can use up space you need for OneDrive. Open Outlook Web and look for emails with large attachments, photos, or videos. These are usually the biggest storage offenders. Delete the messages you no longer need, especially older emails with big file attachments. Then, just like with OneDrive, you need to empty the trash in Outlook too. Right-click Deleted Items and Junk Email, then choose Empty Folder. This makes sure the deleted emails are actually removed from storage, not just sitting in the trash taking up space. Once that's done, check your storage again. In many cases, this alone frees up enough room to get OneDrive working normally again. Now, if you want to free up cloud space but still keep your files on your computer, there's one more great option. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Then open your OneDrive folder. Find the files you want to move off the cloud and cut them using Ctrl plus X. Next, paste them into a normal PC folder like Documents, Downloads, or even a D drive folder using Ctrl plus V. This removes them from OneDrive cloud storage automatically while keeping them saved on your PC locally. That means your files stay accessible, but they no longer use up your Microsoft cloud quota. This is a really smart way to manage storage if you don't need everything synced online all the time. So to quickly recap, if your OneDrive is full, check your Microsoft storage dashboard, delete unnecessary files from OneDrive, empty the OneDrive recycle bin, clean up large emails and attachments in Outlook, empty the Outlook trash, and move files to your PC if you want to keep them without using cloud space. Follow those steps and you should be able to fix full storage in OneDrive without any stress. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.